Now let's look at this question. Now let's look at the tree diagram. This is considered the first event. This is second event. Now for the first event, there's two possible outcomes. One is sore throat or no sore throat. Okay, so now what is the probability of no sore throat? But there's only two possible outcomes. If one of them is 0.45, then the other outcome should be 1 minus 0.45, which gives you 0.55. Okay, now if the first outcome, if the person has sore throat, then the probability of not having a flu is 0.4. Since there's only two possible outcomes in the second event, flu or no flu, so the probability of this one should be 1 minus 0.4 equal to 0.6. Now, if the event of the first outcome, the outcome of the first event is no sore throat, then having the probability of having a flu is 0.2. No flu will be as is 1 minus 0.2 give you 0.8. Okay, so you can see that the first and the second event, you look at the probability. Flu, no flu is 0.4, 0.6 and 0.4. Flu and no flu is 0.2 and 0.8. So depend on the result of the first event, the probability will change. Okay, so in this case, the second event and the first event are not independent. Okay, mainly because the probability in the second event changes, which is dependent on the result of the first event. So second and first event, they are not independent. The result of the first event affect the probability of the second event. Okay, now let's look at the combined probability of the two events. For this is, first you have sore throat here, and then followed by flu. How do you obtain the probability? You will be taking this probability 0.45 times 0.6. Okay, now 6 minus 3. So is this 0.27? Okay, 0.27 is the probability if a person have a sore throat and also having a flu. Okay, now similarly, this sore throat, no flu, so the result is 0.45 times no flu is 0.4. So 0.4, so this gives you 0.18. This one is no sore throat, it's T, sorry, and then got flu. So the probability is will be taking this 0.55 times 0.2. This gives you 0.11. Now this one is no sore throat, no flu also, no flu. No sore throat, no flu. So the probability is 0.55 times 0.8. This gives you a probability of 0.44. Okay. Now let's look at what the question wants. Calculate the probability a person chosen at random has a flu. Okay, let's look at the result. Which one have a flu? This one have a flu. So the probability, you take 0.2, in this case 27. Okay, now is there any branch whereby they also have flu? This is 0.27 plus here. This also have flu, so it's 0.11. So that make it 0.38. For this branch, there's no flu, so cannot be included. This branch, from here to here, no flu, so shouldn't be included. So the answer is 0.38. That's it.